Excuse my appearance, friends. I was just on the Great Dark Spot, a storm on Neptune. Alright. Okay, so weird weather is not just on Earth. Hurricane Sandy was super small compared to some of the weather on other planets in space. Alright, so it's super hot up here on the sun, 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit to be exact. It's a beautiful, sunny day with coronal mass ejection, which is a humongous burst of solar wind and some magnetic fields. It's always hot up here, and today there's a chance of redder and hotter than Donald Trump tweets solar flares, which affect weather on other planets. Not that the sun is a planet. P.S. I'm not dead right now because of my super spec spacesuit and my super spec spaceship. It's a very cloudy start here on Venus. There are carbon dioxide clouds and sulfuric acid clouds. The sulfuric acid clouds make sulfuric acid rain, which is now affecting the highlands. The probability of strong winds, maximum 360 kilometers per hour, and which is 224 miles per hour. Definitely going to be a high temperature. The average temperature is 462 degrees Celsius, which is 864 degrees Fahrenheit. My umbrella has holes in it from the acid, so let's go on to the greenhouse effect. On Venus, there's carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas, which is a gas that absorbs the sun's heat, but doesn't let it out, so the planet gets hotter and hotter. Venus's greenhouse effect began millions of years ago. No wonder the sulfuric acid rain evaporates again before it hits the ground, and space probes, robots, only survived a couple of hours on Venus. It's generally dry, clear, and cold. A change in temperature could mean dust storms and dust devils may become common in the evenings on Mars. The average temperature is minus 55 degrees Celsius, which is minus 67 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also very cold at night, under minus 60 degrees Celsius, which is minus 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Dust storms are super common because of a desert-like, dry and rocky surface. They can swallow the entire planet and raise the atmospheric temperature by 30 degrees Celsius. Also, in September 2017, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter discovered carbon dioxide clouds producing dry ice snow. P.S. Dry ice is the frozen form of carbon dioxide. Okay, so there will be strong, determined winds here on Jupiter. Maximum speeds are around 360 kilometers per hour, which is 224 miles per hour in most places, especially the Great Red Spot area. It will probably be super cold all day, which is 9 hours 56 minutes. The Great Red Spot is at least 400 years old, beginning when Galileo saw Jupiter with his telescope. It is red because of sulfur and ammonia. There's also Red Spot Jr., or the Little Red Spot, lower on the gas giant planet, and made up of 3 white storms. The Great Red Spot and Red Spot Jr. are both made of hydrogen, helium, and ammonia, a chemical that contains nitrogen. Where all the storms are, the troposphere, the average temperature is 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Hello and welcome to Saturn. Storms here can be 8 times the surface area of Earth and can make more than 10 lightning flashes each second. there's a hexagonal hurricane called the hexagon. It's very, very unique, and it lives on Saturn's North Pole. This air current is only a storm driven by air currents. This different weather formation is made of hydrogen with a little ammonia. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. It looks very similar to Earth in the terrain and cloud cover. All the clouds, lakes, rivers, and oceans are made of methane. Methane is a simple, organic, carbon-containing molecule. Titan's methane cycle is a lot like Earth's water cycle. Titan is so cold that the methane, which would be gas on Earth, is liquid. To stay liquid, it must be below 260 degrees Fahrenheit and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of it evaporates, though, and this makes clouds. Titan has an atmosphere where our organic molecules float around freely. Life is possible, and this planet could be bursting with it already. When Pluto is closest to the Sun, it can reach minus 369 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 223 degrees Celsius. When it's furthest from the Sun, temperatures can fall to minus 387 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 233 degrees Celsius. This is obviously much, much colder than Earth. This is also about how much Earth's temperature changes in a day. Wait, a day? That can't be right. Hey, there's a typo in the script. Hello? Well, whatevs. There's a thin atmosphere of nitrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide. This atmosphere is created by gases evaporating off ice chunks. Dang, Pluto's weird. Also, planet most likely to have life on it. Results are Titan, Saturn's moon,